Hey guys! Welcome to another video. Oh, what is this thing? It's our... Just... Let's see. Guys, that over there is my dad's car. That thing is a Mitsubishi. That's our Mitsubishi car. There it is. I think that was the giant Cthulhu. Yeah, it sounded just like that. That's how I marked. I don't want to hear thunder. Giant Cthulhu. Why? Why? I'm not. Dad, I'm making a video right now. Guys, I think that was finally stopped. Well, up there was creepy. Stop. Saw some of the giant Cthulhu's tentacle, but you guys didn't see it. It was all the way up in the sky. Because the giant Cthulhu is the most giant monster of all. It still wasn't a foggy day, but it still happened. But no fog came from the building falling. It's weird. 15% remaining. Guys, you just want to see all the stuff outside, then you can zoom in. And you can go and eat some snacks. We're going to eat some Cookie Crisp. Yeah. Cookie Crisp. Cookie Crisp. climb the curtains. They're not gonna climb our curtains. They actually like life. They can see my feet.
Eat some Cookie Crisp, and then you got your phone on the charger, but I do not want my phone dying.
Okay, because it takes 3 hours.
Yeah, if you do it down to 5, yeah, it does.
When you lower it down to 5, it takes 3 hours. Yeah, we don't want that. There, guys. There. Great job. There we go.
Don't take a 20-minute video.
It's already 6 minutes.
Yeah, I know. I'm just telling you, don't take a 20-minute video. So this video will eat all my battery.
Boop, 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 boop. Our cats are right there. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. I just saw his tail. Tiny face. So I can get the cat's attention. Boom, 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 boom. Oh. I'm making those noises. Okay, guys, bye. Okay, guys, bye.